Good morning, everyone. I'm on to a side hustle. This is a newer side hustle of mine, a newer client. I'm not going to give you any descriptions of exactly where I'm going so that client can't figure out that I'm talking about them. But I have a regular client who I don't care if they know because I love them and I go there every single Wednesday and they are my absolute favorites because I'm spoiled there. They are the epitome of perfect customer. And to the point where I don't even think of them as customers anymore. They're more like my friends. I love them. I would do anything for them. I often get asked to do all random things for them, and I'm happy to do at all times. So I am 100% not speaking about them. But that's all I'm going to say because any other description might give this away. So let's just say I'm going somewhere today that due to my experience the last few times, I will say this, the few times I have been there, I have left almost on the verge of tears. Because, and Lori, I would love to know your input or your opinion on this, or if you're the same way I am, but, you know, when you clean houses, like I said, this is my side hustle. It is not my full-time job. It is my part-time job. And obviously, I think if you're a house cleaner, you probably have some bone in your body that enjoys cleaning. And I do. And for me, I enjoy cleaning because I like to see the end result. You know, I like to see something that was messy, dirty, sloppy become shiny and neat and whatever. And that just was not gonna happen at this place. Not gonna happen. And I go into high anxiety stress mode because I'm the type of person who, like I said, when I'm coming to clean your house, I want you to be able to tell I was there. I want you to be able to see, oh, Kim was here today. Things look good. Things are clean. You know what I'm saying? You want to know that you've left them happy. And every time I leave this one place, I'm like, I'm so upset when I leave because there's just there's only so much one can do in a few hours, right? Because they only want to pay for a certain amount of time, which is, hey, that's fine. But the frequency that they're having you come, you know deep in your heart is, honey, you need somebody more than this. You really do. Or it's going to start to feel like you're paying me for nothing. You need a higher frequency. And they assure me every time, no, don't worry about it. This is great. This is a big help. And I'm like, I don't feel like it is. But whatever. So I am in I'm in high stress mode and I haven't even gotten there yet. I am stressed out already because I don't like leaving unless everything is perfect. I dread it. Oh God. Hopefully the next clip is me in a decent mood that it went okay. And I'm not calling this a day in a life video. This is just my high stress venting video. You're just listening to me vent today. That's what this is. Isn't that an interesting watch? Oh, I wish you guys could come with me and just keep me company all day and talk me down. Or give me my pep talk. Everything's okay, Kim. It'll be fine. Like, when I always reference my favorite customer. I very, 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 very rarely ever have to pick up dirty clothes on the floor. Dirty clothes, towels. That is such a rare occurrence. I think it's happened one time. And they weren't dirty clothes. They were laundry. And I offered to bring them upstairs to where they belonged. I didn't have to. I just saw them there. Okay, so you see where I'm grasping? Now, in their basement, which is where their washer and dryer is, in the mornings, like when they take their showers and all that shit, they'll throw their towels down the basement stairs because that's their laundry day. Is the day I clean. So when they came home, they start throwing out laundry because of all the rags and stuff that I use. So a lot of times I go down, when I'm done with the rags that I use to clean their house, I hang them downstairs, and they have a basement sink next to their washing machine. I hang them there for them to grab, you know, to do their laundry. And when I go down there, you know, I dust off their stuff. I dust around their basement, and I will grab the towels that they threw to the bottom of the stairs. I don't have to do it. I do it because it's a courtesy, and because I love them, and it's not a big deal. And all I do is I just drag them over to the pile of towels that are already on the floor. So that's my worst case scenario. That is not what I walk into here. There will be filthy clothes and underwear all over the place. And I got a thing, man. I got a thing. I don't want to touch your dirty clothes. Alright? I don't... That should have been picked up before I got there. That's how I feel. Am I wrong? Lori, am I wrong? Do you pick up dirty laundry? Because I'm not that kind of house cleaner. I'm not Alice from the Brady Bunch. Do you know what I'm saying? If you want me to be Alice, that's okay too. But I would get a lot more done if I wasn't being Alice. If you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway. See how high stress I get? Oh. I have a literal tension stomach ache right now. Alright. I am nothing but a Debbie Downer. Well, let's just say the anxiety and fears. And no, I don't have my seatbelt on. My anxiety and fears were absolutely not necessary. I had all that anxiety. I had it all last night. I had it this morning when I was up until I got to the job. And it was for nothing. Thank God. And I hope that means that every time I come, we're in that kind of a group. They maintained what I did last time, and I was very happy to see that. You know, they maintained it for as well as possible, better than I expected, and for the amount of time in between the cleaning. So I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. And they gave me a good compliment, which made me feel good. Yeah, it made me feel good. But, yeah, oh God, I'm so relieved. I mean, I still got one more big job tomorrow. Like I said, I am not used to working every day off from my full-time job, doing the side hustle. I'm only used to doing 1 or 2 out of my, well, it's supposed to be 4 days off, but it really isn't. But I'm only used to doing maybe 1 or 2. So this week I'm doing them all. All my days off, I have a job. So, oh, Lori, how do you do it? Because my hands hurt. I got to do it again tomorrow. And tomorrow is it's not like a regular house. It's a rental that just, you know, I'm what do you call it? The lady I work for on Wednesday. Did I already tell you this? It's her rental apartment, but it's like a move out. So it could entail all sorts of stuff, plus cleaning, you know, any garbage they left, all that. That's tomorrow. And I know I did a 2-bedroom for them a couple weeks ago. You don't give a shit, do you? Why am I'm just spewing. I'm sorry. I guess I'm on a happy high because my day went so much better than I was expecting. But whatever.